This is a Dometic CFX freezer, refrigerator. It has dual compartments, so it can be a freezer or refrigerator on either compartment. And they just open up like that. This one happens to be empty because we're not using it right now. We shut it off. So you can also just shut one compartment off if you want to, totally, like we just did, because we don't have enough food to put in right now. It's Bluetooth enabled, so you can hook it up to your cell phone if you want to and control the temperature and all the other attributes of it. But other than that, it's pretty easy. It's got an on-off button. This is another Bluetooth thing you can hook up to. I think you can power your device with it. And you just click here. And right now, if both bays were operational, this would be also have a nice line over it and would give me a temperature. But right now I only have one. And you can just swap between. Well, I can show you. So zone control here. I think this is where you turn them both on, either both on or one on, one off. I'll put them both on just for a moment so you can see what I'm talking about. And then we'll go back. You can set your temperature, units Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can set your display, how dark or light you want it. That's the Bluetooth enabled piece there. Set your temperature. So you just cycle between both sides and you can set your temperature higher or lower. Whoops. See, lower or higher. And the same thing with the other one, hit OK. And then you go to the next one and you can swap and do the same thing. So it's very easy to use. You can operate it with a battery, so it's got a DC plug or an AC plug, so you can operate it under house current. And we've done both. It's got handles. Handles slide down. It's got two plugs to drain it. Plug in this side and plug in that side. I can sit on it. I know you can get fancy pads for these, and they can be extra cushion or leg rest. A friend of mine has one. It has the fancy pads on it. When we bought the unit is because we needed more freezer space and refrigerator space. On a monohull sailboat in particular, under 50 feet, freezer and refrigerator space are premium. Especially freezer. We had this tiny little freezer about this big, and it didn't keep my ice cream. So this was a necessity to buy this so that we could have ice cream. Yeah, we don't have to put ice in it. They're both frost-free units as well, so you don't have to defrost them. We've had the unit for about 8 months now. I like it. It's perfect. Keeps my ice cream cold.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.